The OKLA Theater is where I saw a movie on the big screen for the first time. In many ways, watching movies here growing up in McAlester helped me change the course of what would be a big part of my professional life. This magical place is packed with wonderful memories.
When we talk about the OKLA, it gets everyone emotional and it tugs at the heartstrings. Everyone has memories of the OKLA. This was the gathering place. It brought nightlife to McAlester. It was just a meeting place. We all have memories of coming here, watching movies with our families.
The old saying, if these walls could talk, couldn't be more true in this theater. The OKLA officially opened in 1931 and closed in 1989. Now, through renovations, the theater is very slowly coming back to life. The lobby has been completely redone. Next door used to be a novelty shop. Now it's part of the theater. And here's something everyone will remember.
And so in the window, there was a perpetual drinking bird that would dip its beak in a glass of water. And I remember as kids, we would all, gather at the window and look and watch that bird. They had lucky rabbit's feet keychains, little magic tricks, whoopee cushions even. And so we wanted to carry those things as well in our gift shop, along with OKLA souvenirs, McAlester souvenirs, and as well as the state of Oklahoma souvenirs for people to be able to come in and buy T-shirts and bumper stickers and keychains and all that kind of stuff. Fun stuff.
All the money from the sales in the gift shop go directly to the renovation of the theater.
We're currently open Tuesday through Friday, 11 o'clock a.m. to 4 o'clock p.m. and by appointment. So if you would like to come see the theater, we open the gift shop and we give free theater tours. We'll do guided tours. We'll even give you a bag of popcorn for free.
One of the static displays is one of the theater's original projectors. Now, the plans are continuing with how the OKLA can still serve the community. A grassroots marketing campaign is in the planning stages.
With that, we still want to have fundraising nights. We still see being able to show movies, maybe a bring your own chair to be able to watch the movie until we get the seats and the money raised to have the seats restored into the theater. But we want to still be able to do stuff that gets people in, gets them familiar with the OKLA, gets them understanding the vision and the passion.
The main theater is quiet now, but once this room was filled with laughter, excitement, awe, all through the magic of seeing movies with family and friends. But now new memories are being made during the renovation as people are coming back to look at the theater, like last Christmas, for example.
I had a young girl who she was in theater and she performed and she really wanted to get up on stage, and she actually was a ballet dancer, and so she started dancing around, and so I changed our music that we were playing at the time to play the Nutcracker because it fit, and the way I could see her shadows dance across the walls and the way that the music just filled the place with her presence and her dancing was magical at the time.
My good friend David Petit wrote a book called As I Saw It, in which he wrote in part about when he worked at the OKLA as a projectionist. Then he and his daughters visited last Christmas too, and they started singing.
Holy night, all is calm.
Oh, absolutely. Both my daughters came with me, and singing with Jamie sitting here on the stage that really was a great moment for me. In fact, I used to bring my guitar in, and sometimes after the whole place was closed down, I would sit here and play guitar and sing.
Come take a tour of the OKLA. This place is indeed part of Oklahoma history.
Well, we are looking for donors of all sorts, any dollar amount for sure. But we encourage people to at least come through our gift shop and help us there.